Was it Stay Fierce?
Oh god. I think it's...
Hold on. Let me see your eye.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Don't do that. That's how you're getting eyeshadow everywhere.
I don't care.
I do.
Ah.
Other eye.
No, thank you.
Wow, you're so pretty.
Are we done?
Yeah, I could put mascara on him.
No,
Yeah, I can.
no,
Yeah?
no, we're done.
I can put mascara on you.
Let's go get a close-up.
Hold on.
See how it looks? Oh, she needs to get her TikTok shit in real quick. So hurry up and do that. Alright, now to Abby's bathroom. So we can see how horrible it is. Dude, I look like a fucking clown. I have black eyes.
Let me see.
That looks so bad. Daniel, I thought you were supposed to be good at this.
I am.
It's hard when you start with an ugly person.
Ooh, got me.
What part looks black?
My whole fucking eye.
You said you wanted blue. It's purple.
You didn't even like make it look good. And
Yeah,
like
because you wouldn't let me touch your fucking eye. You wouldn't let me touch your eye. You wouldn't let me put tape on your eye.
you didn't ask to put tape on my
Yes,
eye.
I did.
All right. That's it. Daniel, say bye to the people.
Bye. We'll do another one soon.
No, we won't.
Yeah, we will.
What's your TikTok? I'll put it in the link in the
Okay.
description.
I don't know what it is right now.
Okay, that's it. She made me look ugly. Thanks, Daniel. Bye.